Hello children, welcome to English class. Hope all are doing good. Children, in previous class we have finished some bits from unit 3. So today we'll continue that. Okay children, we have completed 5 bits from textbook, taken from the textbook. So today we focus on from 6th bit. Okay, now open your classwork children. Open your classwork and start writing children. Okay, if you are unable to write like this, seeing the screen, same I'll keep in the homework, see there and complete the classwork. Okay, so continue writing. 1 to 5 bits we finished in previous class. Now today we'll complete some more bits. Okay, write 6th bit, write the past forms. Keep the heading, write the past forms. Write the past forms. So children, start writing. Come, came. Come, came. C-O-M-E, come. C-A-M-E, came. Come, came. Over. Now, second one. Reach, reached. Reach, reached. The past form of reach is reached. R-E-A-C-H, reach. R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached. Don't forget to write the date, children. Okay. On which day you are writing, write the date there. See, third one, move, moved. Move, moved. M-O-V-E, move. M-O-V-E-D, moved. Over fourth one, feel, felt. Feel, felt. F-E-E-L, feel, felt. F-E-L-T, felt. Feel, felt. Fifth one, know, knew. K-N-O-W, know, knew. K-N-E-W, knew. Know, knew. Sixth, buy, bought. B-U-Y, buy. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Buy, bought. Buy, bought. 7. Start, started. S-T-A-R-T, start. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started. Start, started. Think, thought. Think, thought. T-H-I-N-K, think, thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Think, thought. 9. Tell, told. Tell, told. T-E-L-L, tell, told. T-O-L-D, told. Over. 10th one, write, wrote. Write, W-R-I-T-E, write. Wrote, W-R-O-T-E, wrote. Over children, past forms. Shall we move to next bit? Name the following. Name the following. Did you understand, children? What are the past forms? Past form means the action which have already completed. Okay, come, came means already came. The action which is over there. Those are past forms. Now see, next bit, name the following. Name the following. First one, write the heading, name the following. 2 vehicles that move on road. So what are, name any 2 vehicles that move on road. 2 vehicles that move on road. So you have to write any 2 vehicles. Car, bus. You can write lorry, you can write bike, you can write cycle. Okay, children? Car, bus I wrote. If you want to write other vehicles, you can write. I wrote here car and bus. C-A-R car, B-U-S bus. Now second, 2 vehicles that move in air. Aeroplane, helicopter. No other vehicles move in air, no children. Aeroplane, helicopter. Rocket also you can write. Okay. Aeroplane, helicopter. Aeroplane, helicopter. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane, helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter. You can write rocket also. R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. And okay, children. Aeroplane, helicopter. Okay. Third one, see, 2 vehicles that move on water. Ship, boat. Ship, boat. S-H-I-P, ship, B-O-A-T, boat. Ship, boat. What? 2 Two vehicles that move on track. Train, tram. Train, tram. Shall we read once? Two vehicles that move on road. Car, bus. Two vehicles that move in air. Aeroplane, helicopter. Two vehicles that move on water. Ship, boat. Two vehicles that move on track. Train, tram. Over, children. Hope all are writing in the classwork. See next passage. Here is a passage and also there are some questions given below. We have to answer those questions. Okay. First we read the passage. Children, repeat after me. Read the Sidhu is excited. He is going to his uncle's house with his father. They are going to the bus stand in a cart. Now they are in a bus. Suddenly the tire burst. The bus stops. Sidhu is sad. People come out of the bus. Shall we read out once again? Sidhu is excited. He is going to his uncle's house with his father. They are going to the bus stand in a cart. Now they are in a bus. Suddenly the tire burst. The bus stops. Sidhu is sad. People come out of the bus. Now from this passage, there are some questions given here. Answer the following. Who is excited? Who is excited here? Just now we read the passage, no children. Who is excited here? Sidhu is excited. Write the answer. Sidhu is excited. Write the question and then answer. Who is excited? Sidhu is excited. Sidhu is excited. Okay. Who is excited? Sidhu is excited. Excited means he is very happy. Okay. Now we'll move to second question. See children. Where is he going? Where Sidhu is going? He is going to his uncle's house. Write the answer. He is going to his uncle's house. See there in the passage. See. He is going to his uncle's house. Right there, second answer. Second question, where is he going? Write the answer. He is going to his uncle's house. Third, with whom is he going? With whom is he going? See here, with whom is he going? With his father. With whom is he going? He is going with his father. Say the answer. He is going with his father. With whom is he going? He is going with his father. Say fourth question. How are they going to the bus stand? How they are going? See, how they are going? They are going to the bus stand in a cart. There in the passage, no children. How they are going? They are going to the bus stand in a cart. So, answer the third question. No. Sorry. Fourth question. How are they going to the bus stand? They are going to the bus stand in a cart. Write the question and the answer. How are they going to the bus stand? They are going to the bus stand in a cart. Okay? How they are going to the bus stand? They are going to the bus stand in a cart. Now, there are two fill in the blanks here. Okay? Suddenly, the tire dash. What happened? Suddenly, the tire burst. There in the passage, no? Suddenly, the tire. See here. Suddenly, the tire burst. So, fill that blank. Suddenly, the tire burst. B-U-R-S-T-S, burst. Suddenly, the tire burst. Suddenly, the tire burst. Now, second, dash come out of the bus. Who come out of the bus? We read in the passage, no? I will show you. Who come out of the bus? See here. People come out of the bus. Who come out of the bus? People come out of the bus. Okay? Dash come out of the bus. People come out of the bus. Okay, children? Shall we move to next? Oh, observe this picture. Open page number 36 from the textbook, children. It's a story time. Talk about the pictures. See here. First picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture. Observe carefully. It is about the what? It is about what? It is about, by seeing the picture, we can know, no, children. It is about cute little puppy. No? See the first picture. See the first picture. What is there on the table? A glass of milk and the puppy sitting on the chair. No. So what we have to write first sentence is a clever puppy. The title of the story is A Clever Puppy. We saw the first picture, no, children? The puppy is very clever. It is about the cute puppy, no? The puppy is very clever. He is very hungry and wants to drink milk. See here, the puppy is hungry here. It wants to drink milk. See second, the milk is on the table. He jumps onto the table and pushes the glass. What the puppy did here in the second picture, see? The puppy jumped onto the table. and tried to drink the milk. The milk is on the table. He jumps onto the table and pushes the glass. The glass falls on the table. What happened here? The glass falls on the table. What the puppy did in the fourth picture? He's so hungry, no children? See what the puppy is doing? The clever puppy licks up the tasty milk and feels very happy. What the puppy did here in the fourth picture, see children? It licks up the tasty milk and felt very happy. Now children, very interesting, no? It is about the cute little puppy. Again, I'll read out the sentences. Okay, it's about the clever puppy, a clever puppy. The puppy is very clever. He is very hungry and wants to drink milk. The milk is on the table. He jumps onto the table and pushes the glass. The glass falls on the table. The clever puppy licks up the tasty milk and feels very happy. The puppy felt very happy. Okay, children? So, by this, we completed the Unit 3, children. In next class, again, we focus on grammar book. Okay? Okay, children? That's all for today's class. Take care of yourself. Be happy always, children. God bless you all. Love you all. Thank you.